Let's have a look at how to use the 4% breakout and dollar breakout to find candidates. And as we saw yesterday, we run the scan. Once you run the scan, bullish and bearish along with dollar bearish, you put them into one working watch list for bullish and one working watch list for bearish, and then look for a set of quality. And obviously this thing doesn't happen at the end of the day. It happens as the market opens from that time onwards. So candidate will start showing up in your scan from as soon as the market starts opening. So here are the candidates based on going through all those charts, and I did an extensive video yesterday to detail the steps. Basically you have EPZM, which is like a pullback, and as you can see in the market currently, biotechnology stocks are making big moves, and irrespective of whatever the market conditions are, at any given time, the stocks which have the potential to make the big moves are the biotechnology stocks. So APZM is one of them. NBIX, which had a big breakout here, like 13 million plus kind of volume on that breakout day. As I said, like in a biotechs which make 10 million plus kind of volume on breakout day are the good one to look at for a pullback, and this is the one after pullback is breaking out. Then you have our Revance Therapeutics, which again is breaking out. This is like in a series of narrow range days, orderly pullback. Volume was high, close near the high. Then you have TGTX, which again is a very good breakout, very orderly pullback, and then breaking out on high volume, close near the high. And if you see again here, 33 million shares were traded on the breakout day, so that's a huge number of shares traded. And here also was 10 million, so that's like a stock had a big breakout here and then closed near the high. And from our entry already, stock is up, I think probably 8%. Monsanto, which is a dollar breakout, which is breaking out. Please check the earnings dates for these. I have not checked earnings dates. Titan, which to me is like looks more like a fourth day of a breakout. It did break out from this small pattern, so that's one. I did close near the high here. It was like kind of basically again a breakout. Wouldn't show up in your scan, that's the problem, but that's one. Then ATRS, slightly more volatile, but like again lower price stocks breaking out and in line with drugs and biotechnology stocks making big moves. Here thinly traded stock, lower priced, and you'll see nice sideways consolidation from which it is breaking out. Then on the short side, obviously gold stocks were down. You have Kinross Gold, KGC, which is breaking down from here, and that's a nice 18 million shares traded. Sportsman Warehouse, which has been going down for some time, very weak stock, and it's breaking down from here. Then you have Tiro, which had like after earnings. See, last time it had a follow through. Here also had a follow through. So probability exists for a follow through. And another gold stock, AEM, which is also down. So these are the things which were showing up. Out of that, TGTX is where I have a position, and that's the one which I selected during the day, early in the morning to look at. Basically, it did gap up. I had it on my anticipation list, but it did gap up. So that can be some of the problems when you have an anticipation list. So this is from purpose and breakout, finding candidates to trade which make big moves.